JAMB is just about 25 days to go. And in this video, I want to show you what 5 things you should be doing right now that will help you prepare and help you score 300 and above. These are things I normally teach my students when exam is getting close. For those of you who have been reading and want to just slip up, this video is going to help you. I have from number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. I'll be explaining every single thing for you. So the first one is what? Assess your strengths and your weaknesses. Now look at something here. As you prepare for exam, we have few days to go to the exam, like 3 weeks to go for the exam. Now, by now, you should know your strengths and your weaknesses. You have been reading, especially those people who have been preparing for the last 2 months or 3 months. Now is to assess your strengths and your weaknesses, so that you know the area you are good at and the area you are not good at. So I can balance, because JAMB have a recommended syllabus. You must cover the syllabus very well if you want to stand the chance to score 300 and above. Now let me say this here. So we just read some topics and they will ignore the other topics. Now students that score 300 and above, like score 320, 330, 340, 350, these are students that take time to study it very well. So if you have been studying, now is to assess your strengths and your weaknesses. So how do you do that here? Look at the JAMB syllabus. You have to check the JAMB syllabus, right? Now, what topic have you covered and what topic have you not covered? What topic have you covered? Okay, in mathematics, if you are for those of you going for engineering, in mathematics, now what topics have you covered? What topic have you not covered? Just like, because mathematics have about 35 to 45 topics you must cover. So you need to assess it. By now, as a good student, you should be able to cover like 60 to 70% of that JAMB syllabus. If for whatever reason you are still very, very behind, in that you are not serious at all. So by now, 7 to 8% of the JAMB syllabus should be covered by you. Just so the next one to do here, do JAMB, do CBT practice on those topics you have covered. Do you understand? Now let me just say you have covered 8%, right? What you want to do here is to what? Get a JAMB CBT app. I suggest you go get Test Driller app or myschool.com or any other app that will suit you. Do you understand? But I advise my students to get Test Driller app. Now, Test Driller app, what we do or any other app you want to see, what it's going to do to you is what you can do in that Test Driller app. You can select a particular topic you have covered, put 40 questions there, put the time. Do you understand? So let us say, for example, now you have covered sets in mathematics. You have covered set in mathematics. Now pick 40 questions on sets. 40 questions on sets, right? Now that 40 question, time yourself for 25 minutes. For 25 minutes on that set. Now you know that you have covered set, but you want to see how good you are in sets. Now time yourself on that 25 minutes to solve that 40 question in sets. Just now, what this will do for you is that it will help you understand the area of sets you have covered, understand very well, and the area you need to strengthen in that set. Because you can see that you have covered a topic, right? But now once you put yourself under exam condition, under 25 minutes, and you are solving 40 questions. Now what this will do for you is that it will help you know the area of sets you need to strengthen. Just so you need to solve question, because you need to train yourself under that exam condition. So take sets 25 minutes and practice on that topic you have covered. Now those things you know that you are not able to solve very well, they go back again and recover it and read it here. Do this for all the topics you have covered in mathematics. This is for all the topics you have covered in chemistry. This is for all the topics you have covered in physics. This is for all the topics you have covered. Just this will help you streamline your brain. Okay, this topic I've covered it too, but these are the areas I need to improve on. Do you understand? That's what you want to do here. Now after you have done all this one here, probably out of the 100% of the JAMB syllabus in mathematics, you have covered up to like 70 to 80%, right? These are the topics you have covered already. So you need to do CBT tests on everything, all the topics one by one. Now you really want to take your time and do this in here. It's very important. You really want to take your time to do this in here. This will strengthen you. This will help you to solve questions very well. Do you understand? Now after you have done this here, then Cover those topics you are yet to cover. It's very important. Now, one of the mistakes most people make is that those topics they are yet to cover, they will not bother to go and cover it. Now, let me tell you one truth here. Now, the truth is that if you don't cover the entire JAMB level, or you leave the topic, probably you don't know integration, you don't know some key topics, and you ignore those things. I bet you. Now, those topics you ignore, these are topics you are going to see question or more. Do you understand? So now, do a practice on those topics you have already covered. Very important. Go and cover the topics you are yet to cover. Go and study those topics you are yet to cover. It's very important to do that here. Now, once you have covered those topics, that is why you must do your assessment. Those topics you have covered, those topics you have not covered. Some of you don't even know the topic you have not covered. You don't even know the topic you have covered. That is big blunder on your own part. Do you understand? Now, that is what number 3. Number 4, learn to solve questions very fast under 40 seconds. This is very, very important. Learn to solve questions very fast under 40 seconds. Now, your JAMB examination is 2 hours. I have about 120 questions. That is, each question should not be more than 40 seconds. Each question should not be more than 40 seconds. So you need to learn to solve questions under 40 seconds. It's very important. The last one, put yourself under the exam condition. Put yourself under the exam condition. I will tell you that for every single day here, or probably 2 times a week or 3 times a week, put yourself under the exam condition. In the sense that set a standard exam question. A standard exam question for all the subjects you are going to do. Set a standard exam question for all the topics all the subjects you are going to do here, 2 hours, and learn to solve those things. Just so these are 5 things you need to go doing right now. More of this video will come your way to help you prepare for your JAMB. If you know that you still have issues with your maths, chemistry, physics, and biology, I have a class that will be of great help to you, where all the topics are well treated. Now it's called 30 days class. 30 days. Now we are currently on day 13 as of the time of me producing this video, on day 13, and we have gone far. You get. So once you join that class, now those topics you are yet to cover, probably in chemistry you have not covered a set topic here. You can just go through those days and look at the topics you have covered and topics you have not covered. You take those classes you have not covered. Just and for every class we have about 100 questions in each of those topics. 100 questions. As a matter of fact, we have subtopics. So we have 100 questions in each of those subtopics. So probably in physics, you have not covered AC circuit. There's a video lesson on AC circuit, and after that AC circuit, there's also 100 questions on AC circuit. For example, you have issue with your projectile motion. You see videos, about 4 to 5 videos on projectile, explain the topic very well. They will not see 100 questions. Now, after that 100 questions, you now see the answers to this question. So these are things that will be of great help to you. Hope this video is helpful. Please, if you want to join the class, send me a message on WhatsApp and join that class. And if this video is helpful, please also leave a comment section. Now, let me know your problem. What issue are you having now in your JAMB preparation? Let me see if I can put this video on that. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.